Ready to dominate Injustice 2 with a friend on the same console? Let's get you set up for some epic couch coup battles. First, ensure both of your controllers are properly connected and turned on. Now, from the PlayStation 4 home screen, navigate to the Settings menu. It looks like a toolbox icon. Scroll down within the Settings menu until you find Devices. Select Devices. In the Devices menu, locate Controllers and select it. Check that the communication method for your controllers is set to use USB cable. This usually resolves issues with controller recognition. If you want to play wirelessly, set it to use Bluetooth. Now, launch Injustice 2. At the character selection screen, Player 1 should select their character as usual. Player 2, simply press any button on your second controller. The game should automatically recognize it and prompt you to select a profile or create a guest profile. After profile selection, Player 2 can now choose their fighter, and you're all set for some intense local multiplayer action. Enjoy the game.